In a peaceful meadow, Noel raced around, while Archibald just watched and smiled. Noel bragged he was the fastest, so Archibald calmly challenged him to a race. With cheers all around, the race began. Noel dashed, and Archibald took his time. Noel lay down for a nap, while Archibald kept going, slow and steady. To everyone's surprise, Archibald won, and Noel placed the medal around his neck. Archibald chuckled kindly, and Noel, now humbled, smiled back at his friend.
Subscribe for more and hit the bell icon.